This is J. Kells. If you want to figure out how to cook some asparagus on the cast iron flavor style my way, please go ahead and watch this video. Seasonings, the flavor that we're going to add on this tonight. My ad liver is my nephew Isaac. Oh, click subscribe. That's right. Click subscribe right now. My nephew's helping me this evening. Okay, so we do have soy sauce. We have adobo. We have minced garlic, green bell pepper, Creole seasoning. We have a little bit of onion, sliced onion, and black ground pepper. Bottom off, slice in half. If it is a shorter one, you don't have to slice it in half. To me, it just fits better in my cast iron. That's the reason why I do it this way. That is why. I love asparagus, nice and crispy. I don't like it overcooked. I like it to have a nice crunch.
I like it crispy. I like it crispy.
You like it crispy? That's right, baby. Crunch.
I like asparagus crispy.
All right. Go ahead and put the bell pepper inside. That's one whole bell pepper, and this is about 1/4 to 1/2 of an onion. You can use any onion for this. It does not have to be the red onion. Any onion will work fine.
I like purple onion.
The purple onion. The purple onion, the sweet onion. Because you sweet. So you like it sweet like you.
Is the purple one sweet?
Yeah, it's called a sweet onion.
Give me one.
Not right. You don't want it raw. I would joke with you, but not tonight. And we're going to go ahead and add the adobo. You don't need too much because that does have salt inside of it. And we do have soy sauce. So if you add too much adobo, it will become salty. I don't cook with much salt. I love a lot of pepper and herbs and spices. That's my type of cooking style. So you won't really see me using salt unless I'm cooking grits.
Where's Janaya?
Well, Janaya is not here. Janaya is actually, Janaya is my daughter. Janaya is with her dad's family right now. She's hanging out with her cousins. Her other cousins. Now I'm adding the garlic. Okay, we add the soy sauce. And again, we're going to stir it.
You just make it a mix. You put it.
And now the cast iron, I have already started preheating it. All right. So we have our cast iron ready. It does have the olive oil inside. And you go ahead and place the asparagus mixture inside. Okay, now the asparagus is in. You can go ahead and scoop the rest out. And you're going to let this cook for about 5 minutes. Again, I like mine crispy. So after about 5 minutes, maybe 7 minutes, I'll go ahead and I'll just pull it completely off of the heat. How does that sound? You hear the sizzle? That's the best sound in the world. Alrighty, there's no better way of knowing if your food is ready. Buy a little taste test. So, because these look like they're ready to me, I'm going to go ahead and do my taste test. Yes. Yes. Everything is complete. Again, click subscribe. Thank you all for watching my video. Don't forget when your food is finished to remove it off of the heat. Again, click subscribe. Say it for me. Come. I have my nephews.
Click my little bell.
Say what?
Click the little bell.
Click the what? You say, Isaac.
Click the little bell.
Thank you all so much. This is J. Kells signing out.